What's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to the video today. So in this video I'm getting around to finally upgrading my mids and high amplifier. All that's in the truck currently for my mids and highs amp is a Sundown Audio 50.4. Currently I have a box, a temporary box behind each front seat that contains my mids. They consist of one Crescendo Audio PWX10, one CDT Technology 6.5, and a Crescendo FT1 tweeter in each box. Once my doors are fiberglass, we will have 2 PWX10s per door and 2 FT1 tweeters per door. So in this video, we're going to be doing a little unboxing. So stick around and let's check out what we got. Alright YouTube, let's check out what's in the box. Here we have the Deaf Bonce MA 150.4. Should be a good, nice upgrade to mids and highs. Here we have some warranty paperwork, both English and Russian. Yeah, nice little down for sound keychain. Now originally when I ordered the amp, I was sent the wrong one on accident. No big deal. What the fuck is this? USPS took their sweet time in getting me this one. Down for Sound shipped it out same day as soon as I returned the original one. USPS decided to take a while to bring this one here, but it's finally here and I'm excited to check it out. Couple Allen keys. But yeah, I'm super excited about this amp. Check it out. My mids and highs should get a good bit louder. We have manual. Now this will be powering 4 Crescendo PWX10, such as this one right here. There will be 2 of these per front door. Then I have a Crescendo FT1 tweeter per front door. And I'm working on a second pair of tweeters now. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do matching FT1s. Thinking about going with a larger horn tweeter. But this right here will be powering 4 of these. And then the little Sundown 50.4 that is in the car now, that's going to be powering the tweeters. So let's check this little guy out. What we're doing, so let's go ahead and get this manual out so we have something to reference. Alright, so the Crescendo 10s that I have are all 8 ohms. So those are going to wire down to a 2 ohm load. Alright, so let's check out the spec sheet. Alright, so on my application again, I'll be running 4 8 ohm speakers wired down to 2 ohms. So spec sheet shows 4 ohm power RMS, 150 by 4. I'll be at 2 ohms on my application. So rated says I should do 240 watts per channel. So when bass is going, that could be a different story. So we'll do some testing and see how it turns out. But yeah, let's take a look at this little guy. The little guy turns out to be kind of a long little guy.
Well, I didn't see that coming.
Alright, so we're checking out this Deaf Bonce MA 150.4. This is a machete series. As far as actual specs, so in overall width, we have it as 21 inches. It is about 6.5 long, and we have it as about 2.5 high. So here we have some Tiffany style RCA inputs. We have our gain, our high pass, low pass, crossover, bass EQ. Alright, on this side we have our power, ground, remote, and our speaker terminals. Alright guys, so the last little bit of the video, wanted to show you guys the amp that I got. Is again the Deaf Bonce Machete M154. Now on the amp itself is an MA 150.4. If you go to purchase it, as you see here, it's going to be the Machete M154. Retails for $279.90, which is also the price that I paid. And again, this is through downforsoundshop.com. Again, I get nothing back, just letting you guys know where you could find one if you're interested. They have a lot of other different sizes as well. I believe this is the largest within the Machete line that I saw as far as a 4-channel. I do know they have a 200x4 and the Korean series. It's a little bit more expensive, but for what I'm looking for in this build, I think this amp right here is going to do me just fine. In the future, I may eventually get another matching one and have one per door, but for now this should be sufficient. So again, I appreciate everyone checking out today's video. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button, like and share these videos, and be sure to check out future videos once this bad boy is installed, up and playing. Y'all will be the first to see it. So again, thanks for checking it out.